All right, everybody. Thanks for checking out the Millennial Trucker Podcast. I am your host, Luke. I'm glad you're here. I hope you're having a good day. And today I'm going to be doing a reaction video. Now, I don't typically see these trucker fail videos too often, but I've probably seen about 3 in total in my whole life. You would think I'd be watching more of these, but no, I see enough of it, like in a day to day, but I don't need to see back to back to back to back to back. But for this channel, I will and see. And I have this one loaded up. This is called Semi Trucks, Crashes, Road Rage, Close Calls, Accidents Involving Semi Trucks. So let's get started. Okay, it's got some. Let me see, 5 most common truck. This is going too fast. I can't even. Overspeeding, overtaking, distracted drivers. Okay. So you got somebody driving down the road. He might be going a little bit too fast. He clipped somebody. That noise definitely clipped somebody. That was a tight thing. Driver lost control in I-95 Delaware County and flipped over. Let's see. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Wow. Wow. That's incredible. Just flipped over. You may rewind that again. Is it dry pavement? He must have, sorry. That's something, I think he might have blown out one of his front tires and hit the brakes. You know, they say, the common thing, the thing that they say, if you ever blow out one of your steer tires, which is not the word for front tires, you don't hit the brakes. That goes for any vehicle, but when you're in a semi, in a big truck, hitting the brakes when you have your steer tire blown that'll cause that to happen. All right, this is dump truck wreck. Let me see, what city is this? This looks like Denver. Oh no. Oh, that hurts. Oh my goodness. This truck just cut him off. You see, some of these like pickup trucks, they can't even see behind their trailer.
Fucking bitch. Hey, bad fucking accident.
That's crazy. Okay, it is a rear cam. Semi runs off road for no reason. He's probably looking for something in the back seat. Oh no. He's got his turn signal, but looks like he's in control. Wow. It's a little nuts. Oh man. I'm frozen. There we go. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is nuts. My camera's freezing over here. Anyways, you could still hear me. Oh no. 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 Wow. A police officer is just walking. Oh yeah, this is pretty common. Oh, holy moly. They did a slow-mo and everything. You got the trailer axles just flying off. Wow. I've never seen anything like that. I mean, I'm usually not present for this type of stuff, but wow. Oh my goodness. Let me see, Swift driver. Yep. It's a classic jackknife right there, textbook. Icy roads, yeah. That ain't too bad. That happens all the time. I mean, every year, there's usually like a storm that hits where they haven't gotten to the. Oh, this driver's getting out. He's like, maybe if I straighten out, nobody will notice. Okay, this is another ice deal right here. Oh, it's gonna get sandwiched between the. Oh, that's a bad place to be. Okay, yeah, it's snowy conditions. It could get pretty rough. Oh no. Oh no. Well, he avoided the truck, but he's on the opposite lane. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. That's a blind corner. Let's start backing up. Okay, looks like he's going uphill, and this truck. Let me see. Okay, let me pause this. Klamath Falls, Oregon, USA. Doug was driving his tractor trailer to Bend, Oregon. The highway was so icy there that all the vehicles were suddenly sliding out of control, and a big rig slid directly into oncoming traffic. Headed straight toward Doug, he was able to maneuver through 3 big rigs thanks to the foresight and help from other truckers, as well as Doug's advanced driving skills. Thankfully, there were no collisions, and everyone made it through event safely. Afterward, a pickup truck does a 360 spin in both lanes of the highway, and another big rig heads into oncoming traffic in front of Doug, but with no warning. All right.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's all you could say. Fuck.
Fuck me, dude.
Oh, look at that.
Fucking Christ. Fuck.
Yeah, that driver just shit his pants. Red SUV pulls out into oncoming traffic and is hit by a semi. Ooh. Wow. There's some distance that truck rode. Wow. Oh man, mixer truck. He's gonna. Yep, that's a. You got that product mixing in there. It's gonna. Yeah, I used to drive mixer trucks. That always scared the crap out of me. I used to go through mountains in a mixer truck, in a full mixer truck. That's white knuckling through the whole mountainy area. Oh, this guy. He needs to make his turn. And look at him.
Oh my god. That motherfucker just flipped this truck right in front of me.
Wow.
Yup.
That's wicked.
Oh my fucking god. And I'm on the wrong highway.
He's on the wrong highway. Car fails to merge safely and then slams on brakes in front of semi-truck. Now, if there isn't a vehicle, okay, there's a vehicle in the left lane, so it's probably another one right behind him. Oh, this little car right here, this little Jeep. Just speed up, little Jeep. Just keep going, keep going. That's what he's trying to tell you. Hit that throttle. Go, go, go. Oh, brake check. This fucking guy. He took exception to that horn honking, to that air horn. People are weird. They're so weird. Reckless metallical recycling dump truck. Reckless. Yeah. Yeah, there was no reason for that. Bum, 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 bum. And he's just merging on. Yeah, that's crazy. You don't drive a semi like a regular car. Oh, he's speeding up. It's breaking all the rules. And in broad daylight, too. Is this the same truck? Okay. I like this. Boom, boom, boom. bump. Semi-truck can't make right. Multiple near misses. What do we have here? Can't make a right turn, so he's trying to avoid probably a traffic light post, mailbox. There's all kinds of things at these corners, especially at a busy intersection like this. Oh my god, that's annoying. Why is it? That is so annoying. I gotta lower that down a little bit. Oh, so this car won't back up. The car that's over here. He's kind of wanted him to back up. Just back up. Or like move around. Yeah, that dude driving his car is kind of a dick. Alright, raise the volume a little bit. This guy right here. Whoa. Maintain your lane. Get off of that shoulder, driver. Your shoulders, they could be like traps. I've known people that have broken a shoulder and fell into a ditch. Oh no! Oh my goodness! Holy moly! Just knocked that bobtails clean off the trailer. Holy Moses!
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's gonna hit it! Oh my god!
Oh, these train ones, like, ooh, Amtrak one. Oh my goodness! Wow, that's a passenger. Whiplash City right there.
Holy shit!
Everybody's looking like, what the hell?
Oh no!
Train.
Oh no!
Get out.
Oh my gosh.
He's getting
Train,
out.
Stop. Here he goes.
He jumped out.
We gotta move.
Oh shoot, everybody got
What's
out.
up, Nick? Here goes train right. Hit it. Tape it.
Oh shoot,
This
everybody's
is
getting
tape it.
out.
Get away from that truck.
I am, babe. Let me get
Turn
up
around.
right
Turn
here.
around. Tape it. Hurry up. Tape it.
Turn around, tape it.
Tape it right now. Tape it.
I am. This shit is.
Holy moly! Tape it, tape it. Oh man!
Oh man.
Up,
You said it too, babe.
you said it.
Now this gotta be fire.
Oh my goodness.
Damn. You said it too.
I told him to call the train station. I tried to call the train station.
That's so wicked.
Gotta call the train station. We just got stolen.
Oh, that was fun. That was fun. Let's see. All right. Well, that was an interesting video. I didn't really expect out of that. I'm gonna stop this right here. Maybe I'll save that for next time. Maybe I'll like this right here for next time. 147,000 likes. Yeah, I'll save that for another time. But yeah, that was interesting. That was the train ones. Man, when I worked at oil fields, that was kind of a common thing too, because there's a lot of back roads. So dirt road. So you're in oil fields, you're typically driving on dirt road, and if you're crossing the railroad tracks over there, so many dirt roads, you're not going to put like a big, railroad crossing on a little country road. It's just a yield sign, and these trains are kind of quiet. So that was a common thing in the oil fields, was for trucks to get hit by trains. You never hear about it. You never hear about these things too often because, it's stuff that just doesn't make the news. It's just kick dirt over it. It'll be fine. But anyways, thanks for checking out the channel. I want to give a shout out to Millennial Trucker, the other, my YouTube twin, Millennial Trucker. This guy's crazy. Every time I look at his videos, it seems like he's working for a different company, which is fine. Completely fine. I do really enjoy his firsthand experience with these companies, and if he's not happy with the company, he'll go to another company. He's all about he's doing it right. In my opinion, he's like, why, if you have the experience or whatever, why stay at a company that you don't like? It doesn't make sense. It's always, like I explained in one of my other videos, it's like a relationship. If you're with somebody that you really don't like, you shouldn't stay with them just because you feel obligated to stay with them. There's no obligation. If you're not happy, they're probably not happy with you. So anyways, it's only fair. So I will see you next time. I'm gonna play that my new sound effects. All right, catch you in the flip flop.